Good morning, champs. Let's solve the integral of natural log squared of x. We want to compute the integral of natural log squared of x with respect to x. This is not something we can integrate directly, so we use integration by parts. Quick reminder, integration by parts says the integral of u dv equals u times v minus the integral of v du. We use this when one part becomes simpler after differentiating. Here, natural log squared of x becomes simpler if we differentiate it. So let u equal natural log squared of x. Now let's compute du. Since u is natural log of x squared, we use the chain rule. The derivative is 2 times natural log of x times 1 over x. So du is 2 natural log of x over x dx, and let dv equal dx. Now integrate dv. The integral of dx is x, so v equals x. Now apply integration by parts. We get x natural log squared x minus the integral of x times 2 natural log x over x. Inside that integral, the x cancels. So this becomes x natural log squared x minus the integral of 2 natural log x. Now factor out the 2. So we get x natural log squared x minus 2 times the integral of natural log of x. Now we use a known result. Quick reminder, the integral of natural log of x is x natural log of x minus x. Substitute that in. We get x natural log squared of x minus 2 times x natural log of x minus x. Now distribute the negative 2. That gives x natural log squared x minus 2x natural log x plus 2x. So the final answer is x natural log squared x minus 2x natural log x plus 2x plus c. Quick takeaway. For powers of natural log x, integration by parts lowers the power one step at a time.